This is Kevin, New Flow, St. Louis. I'm at 2424 Mary Kay Court, 63144. Right now I'm pushed all the way out to the manhole from the downstairs main stack in the basement. Pull back to show the condition of the pipe. This is a final video for our CIPP liner, here in place pipe liner. Here's the beginning of our liner, right into the manhole. They had some major cracking in this section, major holes as well. Do have some water running as well, so you can see it's making it all the way out to the manhole. Continuing back, here's the end of our liner, lined into some 6-inch PVC. PVC is in good condition. There it transfers over to 6-inch clay. It's clay all the way back to the casted clay transition. Line from the casted clay transition up to a Y as well. There was some cracking in the cast iron. Like I said, the clay is in good condition at this time. Here we are at the trap. Here we are at the transition from 6-inch clay to 4-inch cast iron. We line from this all the way back to a Y. Here's that Y on the right. This services the downstairs bathroom, along with the laundry. The rest of this cast iron appears to be in good condition. Here we're at the base of the stack. Open out of the stack. Here's an access panel to that stack in the closet area. It's in the basement. Stairs are around the other side of this wall right here. Again, this is Kevin with New Flow, St. Louis. This has been a final video for our CIPP liner, cure in place pipe liner at 2424 Mary Kay Court, 63144.